Hello friends, today we are going to learn how to create amazing movie poster in Photoshop. So let's begin the tutorial. First click on File, New, create a document. Just click on Create. Okay, just crop your document as per your artwork. So this is your plain workspace. So first we are going to place some images. So this one is our Batman image. So just click on Select and Subject. So this one is selected. Ctrl C, Ctrl V. This one is our Joker image. So select this one. Go to Subject. So this one is also selected. Ctrl C, Ctrl V. Both images are selected, and this one is our final image. So do the same process. Just click on Select and Subject. So this one is also selected, and our work is almost done. So just Ctrl C and Ctrl V. Next, click on your document, place images in your document. So this image is AI generated image, so I use this one for my background. I think this one is perfect. Control plus to zoom your image, and next we just place. This one is perfectly placed, and our next work, this Joker. Click on Edit, Transform and Flip Horizontal. Okay, this one is perfect, and you can also take or change this head image. Click on Edit, Transform and Flip Horizontal. Click on Mask Layer, go to Brush. Make opacity 100%. Just hold this one. Take a mask layer, make opacity like this. Brush, and simply remove this area. Make opacity 100%. Brush and apply these areas perfectly. So my friend, this one is perfectly placed, and okay, so this one is perfectly placed, and we just merge this one, and we just select this one more time. The selection is completed. Just click on Select and Mask. Zoom your image. Adjust the size of your brush by using bracket key, third bracket key, and simply apply this upper areas. Okay, then click on decontaminated color, select new layer, then press OK. So you can see that the hair is perfectly selected. So our 50% work is almost completed. Our second work is we are going to adjust the color of our model with background. So just click on color balance, select take a new layer, adjustment layer, click on adjustment layer, click on curves and make this one little bit darker. Okay, and do the same thing with this Joker image. Just click on curves layer and make this one little bit darker. So our next work, we add some light effect because the background light is little bit orange and the background is totally fiery look, so we are going to add some extra lights. So just take a blank layer, clipping mask, select linear dodge in blending mode option, click on adjustment layer, solid color, and I think this color is perfect for my light effect because the background color and this color is almost matched. So just click on right click and go to blending option, hold alt key, okay, so this one is perfect. So just press OK, then click on your mask layer and press Ctrl I to inverse this layer. Go to brush, zoom your image by pressing Ctrl plus and apply light. Sorry, make a little bit more, a smaller brush. So Joker light effect is almost come out and we are doing the same thing with our Batman image. So just click on your Batman image and take a blank layer, clipping mask, solid color, then select linear dodged, right click, blending option and select this. So my friend, the light effect is almost completed and I just add this image. So just click on or take a blank layer, clipping mask, blending option and select solid color. Then press OK. Okay, blending option, hold alt and press Ctrl I and take a brush, make opacity 100%, make foreground color white and apply. Click on your background image and simply duplicate this one go to filter, blower and gaseous blower, and I think this one is perfect. And just take a blank layer, go to brush, okay, and apply this. So just go to blending option and select overlay, click on adjustment layer, go to hue saturation and just click on clipping mask, okay. Do the same thing with your Joker image, click on adjustment layer, go to hue saturation, clipping mask and adjust this one, okay, and do the same thing with this one. So just click on adjustment layer, hue saturation, click on this layer, increase the saturation. So my friend, the work is almost completed and we are going to fill this portion because this portion looks so much odd. So we just select this one and also select this area, go to edit, fill and content over. To this one, this area is filled. Our work is almost completed and you can also provide some extra glow. So just click on adjustment layer, exposure and increase this one, okay. Just inverse this one, click on this layer, go to brush, foreground color make white, adjust the brush by using third bracket key, make opacity 61% and apply this. This will provide amazing glossy look. Take another blank layer, go to brush, make opacity 23% and make foreground color black. So now we just do our final touch. So just click on filter, camera raw. First we are going to merge the complete work in one layer. So hold Shift Ctrl Alt plus E, right click, convert to smart object, click on filter, camera raw filter and adjust. So my friend, the work is completed. I hope you like this tutorial. If you like this tutorial, please subscribe my channel. Okay, see you soon with new tutorial. Goodbye.